China and Hungary decided Thursday to elevate bilateral relations and begin a new era of all-weather comprehensive strategic partnership. Hungarian officials have voiced confidence in the future of China-Hungary relations and expressed hope for deepening cooperation in various fields.
It's an all-weather comprehensive strategic partnership, which is an honor for us. And I think it reflects well the rightfulness of our China policy. We are among those countries in Europe which consider China as a chance, which consider the cooperation with China as an opportunity and not as a risk. We reject decoupling and all these kind of approaches, and we are in favor of making the EU-China relationship even tighter, more effective, more result-oriented. We are very happy with the Chinese investments in Hungary. We encourage more to come because they are modern, state-of-the-art investments which create a lot of jobs, and this is good for our national economy, good for our people, good for our families.
I think now in 2024 this is the strongest part of our friendship and relationship. I think we are now at a high level. I believe in tourism, I believe in cultural exchange, I believe in young people, and if all these three elements function together, then tourism will be excellent from China. And I am inviting all the Chinese travelers, groups and individual travelers to Budapest to discover the beauty of our capital city and our nation. But this is an opportunity for Hungarian travelers. This will definitely help to generate more business, and we highly appreciate the decision of the Chinese government.